Hi, do you get new inquiries via email? Convert them to deals in eWay-CRM and keep them organized. You'll see the status of each of them, add emails and notes, and plan follow-ups. If you work in a team, data is shared automatically with everyone, which helps avoid awkward situations when two people respond to the same customer. We want to make sure everything runs smoothly and looks professional. I'm Eve, your virtual consultant, and today, I'll show you how to do that with our feature for converting new emails into deals. So let's get started. This is Outlook Online, but what I'm about to show you is similar to other Outlooks. If you need assistance, check the links in the description. We've made videos about activating eWay-CRM and taking the first steps for every version of Microsoft Outlook. But back to my Outlook. Select an email. This one is from James Harding, who is already our client. He wants us to create a website for his company. Sounds exciting. Let's convert the email to a new deal. Click on this button and select Convert to Deal. eWay-CRM automatically creates the deal, finds the contact person and his company, and fills in all the important fields. eWay also includes the original email so I or anybody else can get back to it. Let me click on the hub to show you. Here it is. You can change any fields or save the deal. Voila! The new deal is now available to your team, so you can roll up your sleeves. Do you want to pick up a phone and call James right away? Click Add New and select Journal to start taking your notes. Do you want to assign the deal to somebody else? Click Owner and find your colleague. It's easy. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. You can also join our Reddit group and chat with other users. And most importantly, be effective with eWay-CRM.